we will guide you through how to make AutoCAD file to JPG. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by opening AutoCAD and loading the drawing that you want to convert. Wait until the drawing is fully loaded and displayed correctly on the screen before continuing. Press Ctrl+P on your keyboard, or click Plot from the File menu to open the Plot dialog box. In the Printer or Plotter section, select Publish to Web JPG as the output device. Next, choose the paper size that best matches your output requirements. If you only want to export a specific part of the drawing instead of the entire layout, select the Window option under the Plot Area section. Click Window, then select two opposite corners around the area you want to export. After selecting the drawing area, enable Center the Plot to position the image in the middle of the page. Turn on Fit to Paper so AutoCAD automatically scales the selected area to fit the page without changing its proportions. Choose the correct page orientation by selecting Portrait for vertical drawings or Landscape for horizontal drawings. Carefully review all plot settings to ensure the correct printer, paper size, plot area, scale, and orientation are selected. Click Preview to check the final output. If anything looks incorrect, close the preview, adjust the settings, and preview the drawing again until you are satisfied with the result. Once everything appears correct, click OK or Plot to continue. Select the folder where you want to save the JPG file, type the preferred file name, and click Save. Wait for AutoCAD to finish creating the image file. Finally, open the saved JPG to confirm that the drawing was exported successfully and displays as expected. Your AutoCAD drawing is now ready to use as a JPG image.